the calendars. A little bit of background here. The normal working week at Osbuild Party Limited is Monday through Friday, 8 hours per day, excluding public holidays. The installation staff works Monday through Saturday, 8 hours per day, and the company observes the following holidays listed below. Now, if you see an asterisk, these holidays occur on a weekend, and the dates have been moved to the next weekday. Note, Boxing Day is a holiday the day after Christmas, celebrated in many countries. So, what we're going to do here is actually go through a workshop that teaches you how to maintain your calendar, create new calendars, mainly specific to a project, but you can use the same knowledge to procreate for resources as well as global calendars. Now, like I said, although we could use a standard calendar, we will create two new calendars for this project. Ensure that your new Osbuild bid project is open. So you're going to go ahead and right click open. We're going to go to Enterprise Calendars. As you can see here, I do have two calendars already created. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and delete that. And we're going to start over from scratch. You want to make sure to click on the project radio. Like I said, we have global, we have resources and project. You can use the same process that we do for project to recreate calendars for both the global and resource side of things. So right now we're gonna go ahead and click add, and we're gonna copy a calendar to use. In this case, we're gonna use the corporate standard full time, and we're gonna change the name to Osbuild 5 day week. And I want you to go ahead and click modify. Um, we're going to select the detailed work hours per day. With the total work hours per day, it summarizes everything. On the detail side, you can actually select what specific hours you want them to work. Um, so what we're going to do is click on the work week. Being that is a 5 day, Monday through Friday, what I'm going to do first of all is go ahead and highlight everything. What I did here is just click and drag, and I'm going to go ahead and click and drag the entire thing and make it none work, just to make sure that both Saturday and Sunday are filled up. And then I'm going to go ahead and do Monday through Friday. And what I want you guys to do here is select 8 through 16. Now, I do want you to keep in mind that each bar, for example, this 8 that I click on, is suggesting that this is from 8 to 9. And this 9 bar is 9 to 10. So you will want to drag from 8 all the way through to the 15 bar, which is necessarily 15 to 16. We're going to make that work. Click OK. And then you're going to go ahead and select none so that it doesn't inherit any kind of holidays. Now you want to click in time period and make sure your time matches exactly what we have here in the note. Now, if we're doing 8 hours per day, um, when you multiply that, you have 40 hours per week. You should have about 172 a month and 2,000 a year. So we're gonna click OK, and then we're gonna add the holidays above that was listed for 2015 and 16. Um, and you want to check that there are no pre-existing holidays in the calendar you copied that need to be made into work days. So what we're going to do is go back here, and we're only going to work on 2015 and 16. So I'm going to go to the first, going to click on the first, and we're going to make that none work. I'm going to go ahead all the way to April 326. Again, I can use Control to click on multiple things while holding my Control key, or I can use Shift to highlight an entire row, but you're not able to all the way down there. So what we're gonna do is do 3 all the way through 6. Again, I use my shift and clicked to highlight the entirety of them. Now, Saturday and Sunday was already a non-work day, so I'm going to make this non-work. For the 25th, Christmas Day, we're going to make that non-work as well. And we're going to make the 28th. So I'm just going to go ahead and do 2016. And I'm using this dates right here. And while I'm scrolling through, I'm checking also, I'm, kind of keeping an eye to make sure that I don't see any extra non-work days in between Monday through Friday, except for the ones that I'm actually inputting right now. So I'm making sure that only Saturday and Sunday is a non-work day. So keep an eye out for that. So once that's been completed, you're gonna click OK. And that's just as simple as it is to create a calendar. You go there, input the time. You can make it specific to your resource. You can make it available to everyone else in the system. Now we're going to create another one, which is going to be for the 6 day week. We're going to copy the same calendar. This time we're going to name Osbuild, modify. Again, you want to click the detailed work hours per day. And what we're going to do here is go to your work week. I'm going to go ahead and highlight everything and make sure, again, that everything it's a non-work day. And then I'm going to highlight Monday through Saturday and select, again, remember 8 through the 15 bar, which is actually 15 through 16. And we're going to make that work. Click OK. Now, if you make a mistake selecting 16, this will mess with your durations when we do create our activities and actually try to track our resources as well. So you want to make sure that while selecting those kind of things that you pay attention to detail, which is a very big important part of being a scheduler, a planner, or a project manager, or anyone in a project controls team anyway. So we're going to go ahead and select none so we don't inherit any holiday previously. Um, you want to make sure work week. I'm going to go time periods, 8 hours. I'm going to make sure this is 48. 48. Make this 206. You got to make this 2400. Okay. And now we're going to add those holidays from the previous for 2015 and 16. Make sure January 1st. Make sure April 3rd through the 6th. Again, keep an eye out on the calendars as you scroll through just to make sure that only Sunday is a non-work day aside from the ones that you're putting together. Now we have the 25th and the 28th, and I know this because I've gone over it, but the 26th will also be considered a holiday, as that will state later down the line. So we're going to go ahead and make that non-work. Go to my 2016. And again, it says ensure that Saturday, December 26th and Monday, 28, 2015 will remain a workday, which you just did. Should you wish to make the first day of the week a Monday, um, so we've already created both. calendar so far. Again, you can repeat the same process for resources global. So we're gonna get out of here. Now, one thing it's gonna show us is how to make the first starting day of the week. We can pick a choice as to what day we want to make it. So Monday, Tuesday, Sunday, whatever it is. In this case, you're gonna go to admin preferences, and see where it says starting day of the week. We're gonna select Monday. You can choose any other option you feel more comfortable with, or however it is specific to your project. And that covers the calendar portion of this, maintaining it, as well as creating a calendar from scratch.